Hi everyone, today we will teach you how to upgrade the old Lexus GS300. The first step is to remove and unscrew the gear lever. Secondly, remove the cigarette lighter box. Thirdly, dismantle this entire peachwood panel. Now let's unscrew the two screws at the bottom of the hose. Then remove the air outlet. Unscrew the two screws on the hose again. Okay, now we will disassemble the hose and unplug all its plugs. Now we need to dismantle its air conditioning box. First, remove the metal frames on both sides. Then separate the air conditioning box. Only its air conditioning panel is needed. Now we are connecting the cables. This is the GPS antenna. This is a network antenna. These two are USB transmission cables. This is the video input cable. This is RCA audio cable. Now we are connecting the Canbus box. Then connect the two button serial ports. Reconnect protocol serial port. Connect the red and white plugs again. Finally, connect the screen power plug. Now start connecting the newly removed air conditioning panel. After connecting, we will first reinstall the peachwood panel here. Okay, now connect the original car plug and install the new car radio. After fixing it, reinstall the air outlet as well. Finally, reinstall the file. As this is the first installation, we need to set up Canbus so that the newly installed car radio can support the functions on the original car. Of course, it also has many other functions such as using buttons to quickly operate the new car's infotainment system. It supports online movie playback, support automatic radio station search, support online map navigation, supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music, support wireless Carplay, Android Auto. Alright, that's all for this episode of the video. Thank you for watching.